It's Gypsy Man, and I wanted to make a quick video for people who are interested in buying the double alpha belts with the Lynx. And know that, yes, it will work with your Ghost holsters, the Hydra P with the plus, or with this type of I don't know what I want to call it, quick connect or whatever belt link or whatever, or a clip. It'll work with this type of clip. It'll definitely work with the clips that have the screws instead of this swivel on here. So someone asked me, how do I get it on there? Because the links are thick, and to this day, and I promise you it gets better. The only way you're going to get this on here, you're not going to be able to, first of all, place it in the middle so it won't bend. And when you place it there, you're going to close it, right? If you want to hurt your fingers or anything like that, you can just press it as hard as you can and it'll click. But when I first bought this belt, it did not click that easy. And all you have to do is take the belt and just put it on something hard and just push it down and clip it like that. After a few times, or you just leave it on there for a while, you'll be able to do it with your fingers. And just that click, when you hear that click, is very positive. When it clicks in, it is not going to come out. It's not going to come out once it clicks. And you can see here that I have full engagement here. There's a little bow. There's a little bow. You'll see the bow here, and you'll see a little space here from where the belt guide is. Basically, you're sizing up the belt so that it doesn't move around too much on here, which it won't. And this is why I like this so much. And I think it has something to do with the grip on the back of the belt. So it doesn't move much at all. So that's how you put this belt on there. It will fit with this clip, and it'll definitely fit with the screw-on clips. So just a quick video, and just to reassure people who already have holsters that don't want to buy the double alpha, and you just want to kind of piece together a little bit of kit so that you can compete. And I promise you it's going to work. And I wish some of these companies would have let me know before I got it. I had to do a lot of research to find it, and then somebody asked me, and I'm showing you how. So quick video, make it work. Gypsy Man, I'm out.